Hey everyone, welcome back. If you're a Sam's Club member with a Capital One Savor card, you're in for a treat. Adding your card to the Sam's Club app makes shopping faster, secures rewards, and streamlines your checkout process. Today, I'll guide you through this step by step in just a couple of minutes, so you can get back to snagging those deals. Let's dive right in. First things first, make sure you have the Sam's Club app downloaded on your phone. If not, head to your app store and grab it. It's free for members. Once it's installed, open the app and log in with your Sam's Club account credentials. If you don't have an account, you'll need to create one quickly. It's straightforward and only takes a moment. Now, once you're logged in, look for the menu icon, usually 3 lines or a hamburger icon in the top corner. Tap that to open the main menu. Scroll down until you find the Wallet or Payment Methods section. This is where the magic happens. Click on it, and you'll see an option to add a new card or add payment method. Go ahead and select that. Next, you'll be prompted to enter your card details. Grab your Capital One Savor card and input the card number, expiration date, and the security code on the back. Double-check everything for accuracy to avoid any errors. The app might ask you to verify your identity or the card through a text code or your bank's app. Follow those prompts carefully. After you've entered and verified the details, hit Save or Add Card. Voila! Your Capital One Savor card should now appear in your wallet. To test it out, try making a purchase in the app or at a Sam's Club store. If everything's set up right, it should work seamlessly. One quick tip. If you run into any issues, like the card not showing up, make sure your app is updated to the latest version. You can also check with Capital One's support for any specific requirements. That's it for today. Adding your card is that simple. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tips and savings hacks. Thanks for watching, and happy shopping.